Want to learn how to reset the recommended videos on YouTube or how to reset recommendations on YouTube? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Since YouTube recommends us videos according to our watch and search history, so the basic trick to reset YouTube recommendation is first of all to go to your YouTube, open up the app just like this. Now tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Tap on settings, evoke help and feedback. Tap on history and privacy. Here you have an option of clearing your watch history and search history, and even you can pause watch history and search history as well. So first of all, tap on clear watch history. You can see that your YouTube watch history will be clear from all YouTube apps and all devices, and your video recommendations will be reset. Tap on clear watch history. So watch history has been cleared. Now you can tap on clear search history and even do the same, that is clear search history. So despite removing your both watch and search history, you have just reset YouTube recommendations. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.